Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing some BloxBurg and yeah, and basically there's like some new updates if you didn't know. There is some new updates in this game, and yeah, there's like Halloween updates and stuff, and I think there's like if you go to plumbing, where is that? I need to find it. Okay, there it is. Alright. Yeah, there's like new baths and stuff. So there's like this one, modern corner bath, and then there's like the antique bathtub. Oh yeah, and this is new. Modern floating vanity. What? And then over here, I don't know. No, I don't know if that's new or not. Over here we have basic shower set. I think that's new, yeah. And yeah, I think those are all the new things. And then, oh yeah, let's check in new in case you forgot stuff. Yeah, so there's a lot of like Halloween stuff. And I added stuff to my house already. Like we have these awesome pumpkins over here. Yeah, I colored them that color, but like, you know, like there's these cool pumpkins. You can like color them whatever you want. I just colored them that color. But yeah. Oh yeah, and then I put these like bats up here because I don't know. I didn't really have anything to put in this area, so I just put some random stuff over there. And it's like my house, and yeah, I changed my house a lot, so yeah. So this stuff is all like new and stuff. Like I built a new house and stuff, and upstairs I'm working on the upstairs. Like I haven't done the upstairs yet, so yeah. And now I'm going to like go in build mode, and yeah, we can like start building. So yeah.
feel like I linger between the words to say the words you remember. Now we're here to take control over your body, over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your heart, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, let your body go, let your body go and move to the rhythm.
So guys, this is what I have so far in my house. I didn't really finish it all the way, but I finished as much as I could. So we go in here, and this is like the bedroom and stuff. And yeah, it's not the best, but I'm not really a pro builder, but like, you know, I tried. So like there's like a mirror there, and then yeah, and then there's like supposed to be a computer there, but like yeah. And then over here it was a little plain over here, so I just like put something like else. I had to turn something off for a second. Okay, so yeah, oh, now it's like really dark. Okay, anyways, yeah, I need to add a roof. And over, wait, did I already check? Yeah, okay. This was a little bit plain, so I put some plants here. And then over here is like the, like, oh, all of a sudden I feel like I'm really fast. Okay, anyways, over here, yeah, I need to pay my bills, but like, this is one of the new bathtubs, so like, I had to add it in because it was like the best. So yeah, I added it into like, just imagine like I'm taking a bath in here. Like, I need to pay my bills, but yeah. Okay, so yeah, so this is one of the new baths, and then this is like the bathroom and stuff. I didn't really know what wallpaper to put in here, so I just kind of did this. I mean, it's kind of random, but like, you know. Alright, over here there is a computer over here, and I did not finish coloring, like, you know, right over here, and yeah, I just messed up that bed, so I'm gonna fix that up. And then yeah, guys, so this is what I have so far, and I'm just gonna get right downstairs and yeah, and like go back over here, and wow, this looks so cool at nighttime. Guys, look at all these jack-o'-lanterns. Yeah, that's what they're called, right? Yeah, jack-o'-lanterns. Alright, so yeah, they look so cool at the nighttime. Like, just look at them, guys. Just like, seriously, they look amazing. And anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out the new update in BloxBurg because it's really good, okay? And anyways, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye!